Hello, thanks for stopping by. My name is Sandy. This is the Sister Cousins Lifestyle channel. Now, today's video is going to be a little bit different from what I normally do. I normally show you the inside of homes. Today, I'm going to take you on a little cruise down Biscayne Bay in Miami, Florida, to look at some multi-million-dollar homes from the outside, of course. We're just going to be cruising on by and seeing what we can see if we can spot anybody out there. No, just kidding. The cheapest home that you're going to see is $3 million. You'll be able to spot those right away because they are considerably smaller than the others. But these homes go for upwards of $20-30 million. So let's go ahead and take a look. Now, again, what you're seeing is Biscayne Bay, and this is the Miami skyline. So we're going to get on this little cruise ship, and we're going to cruise on out. We're going to go see Fisher Island. We're going to see Star Island and what is called Millionaires Row. A lot of very famous people and wealthy people live here. Again, the cheapest home here is $3 million. So you know the people here really are making the big bucks. And I love seeing homes. And so I was just thrilled to be able to get out here and look. It's just so beautiful. I love water. That is just my thing. Anytime I get to go on a vacation, water is usually involved in some shape, form, or fashion. I just love water. What about you? Drop down in the comments below and let me know if you like water, if you like boat rides. Now, I don't like cruises, like commercial cruises. I cannot. I just don't like them. But I do like being on the water on a smaller boat. The waters were pretty calm this day, so that was a nice thing. Although I like a good joyride too. I love a nice speedboat. One time I went on vacation in Panama, had the scare of my life trying to get to what's called San Blas Island off of Panama City. Beautiful, beautiful island, but the ride over there on that boat, I will never, ever, ever forget that again. I am thankful to be alive. All right, now we're coming up on the first of the beautiful, beautiful homes, and I'm going to set the rest of this video to music. I hope you enjoyed the cruise. hope that you enjoyed today's ride along with me. If you enjoyed it, please don't leave without hitting that thumbs up button. And also hit the subscribe button if you're not currently subscribed. I would love to have you as a part of my YouTube family. And to all my returning family members, thank you so much for stopping back by. And be sure to stop back by on Monday when I upload my next video, which will be back inside the house doing home decor. I hope to see you there. Bye-bye. Thank you.